All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is press Math and then go up one. You basically want to go down to Numeric Solver. You can also scroll down if you prefer. So Math, Numeric Solver, Math, and on the TI-84 regular, it's just Solver. Then press Enter, Enter. All right, step number 2, input the left side of your equation into E1 and the right side of your equation into E2, then hit OK, and then solve. If you're using a TI-84 Plus, not the CE, you'll need to set your equation equal to 0 before inputting. Then hit Enter, and then alpha plus Enter. All right, so someone give me a random equation. What's a good one? Anything. Something with an X. How about 2x plus 5 equals 9? Okay. So, if you have a CE, you're going to type 2x is the button that's right underneath mode. 2x plus 5, enter, and then 9. Okay? If you have this version, you first have to set it equal to 0. So it'll solve this one for you. So 2x minus 4. All right, so then you're going to hit OK and then solve. So OK is here. Then you're going to hit solve. And then, let's see. Oh, there we go. It solved it for you. So then this one, enter. For this one, you have to hit alpha enter. There we go. So as you can see, x equals 2. And if you were to solve this, you would find that x equals 2. Yes? And how do I go back? How do you go back? So, press second mode quit to quit. So second is here, mode is here, and then I'll take you back to the main screen. Any questions on this tutorial? So this comes in handy if you are solving equations on the calculator portion. Basically, you can solve the equation just on your calculator. Yes? Do you have this version or this one? This one? Okay, so you go to Math, up, Numeric Solver. You don't put an equal sign. It's just this is on the left side of your equal sign, this is on the right side. Yeah, so for example, if your equation already equals 0, you would just put a 0 here. And then it would solve it for you. Negative 2.5. Yeah, it's a little more complex on this one, but it does the same thing. Any other questions on this one? All right, thank you so much. I'm going to stop the video now.